channel. My name is Nell, and in today's video I'm gonna show you guys how to do a polymer clay rings. So yesterday I got inspired to create something, and probably this will be my new hobby because it's so much fun. So yesterday I picked up some supplies and I managed to do all of this. It's so pretty and it's so cute, but it's not perfect, but I did try yesterday to make some more, and I actually have a few more over here. So in today's video I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. It's very simple. So now that I got all my supplies and I already have a hands-on on how to do, so I'm more confident to teach you guys. So let's start. Let's put all these rings aside. Oh yeah, hold on. Thank you. So I have my supplies in here. Just share with you guys what I got first. So I have this polymer clay from Stadler, and it comes in the 12 pieces. So it has 12 colors in there, and I got some brush for this gloss varnish. So basically, if you don't want to keep your ring like this matte, then you can gloss it to make it more shiny, glossy. And what else? So I got this flower mold. I have a small one and I have the big one, and I have some tools. So these are the tools, and I have a circular mold. It's actually from the baking one, but yeah. And last but not least, I have my working tray, working clay tray, whatever it's called. So these are all my supplies, and without further ado, let's jump right in. So before I start, I'm just gonna have like a few ideas on what I would want to do. So I'll go on my Pinterest and check like what are the design that I want to do, the colors. So yesterday it was just like trial and error, so I played around with a few colors, but today I'm planning to do something more aesthetic. So I'll just browse through on Pinterest and see what I like, and then I'm gonna get back to work. So first thing, we're gonna clean and clear all the tables with all this stuff. So I'm just gonna put all this away. And so basically these are the things that I got for making earrings, but for rings I don't really need them. So I'll probably make a earring in my next video, but for now we're just gonna stick to the rings. Yes.
For me? Also?
Yeah.
I want a unicorn earring, please.
Okay.
Because I love.
So I usually use just these two pieces of tools. This is to cut. This is the roller, and probably just one more, which have like this very small round edges at the end. So this is just to make like some design. Yes, for the eyes, correct. And we're not gonna use this because I really like the matte outcome of all the rings, so I'm just gonna keep it as matte, but let's see later. So make sure you have short fingernails and your hands are clean, especially if you are holding the white clay, because if it's dirty then it will make this kind of mess on the panda ring. See, there's a lot of different color. So my first design, I'm gonna try to recreate this again. So yesterday I did, but I did it in this color.
Mommy going to make a ring, but she never make it like the same. But I want her to make like the same last time, and also I think she's going to make it actually like the same. So I will see you on my next video. Just how I like to do. I love to do craft also, but this is not even craft. This is clay craft. This is called clay craft. And now I'm going to learn how to draw leaf yarn.
Okay. Okay, so my first design is ready, and this is the melody. It looks kind of similar, but not too sure how it's gonna turn out, but hopefully it's good. So because I'm a perfectionist, so sometimes I might take things too slow, and I really want to do everything like, you know, properly and stuff like that. So I'm gonna move on next design.
Another lazy afternoon, the clouds covered in gray. Third coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep on Zoom. I yawn at the display. Third meeting of the day. But I can hear raindrops tap dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth, 'cause I can stay inside and tap away inside. Oh, make today just a little less mundane. Oh, I can stay inside and tap away inside. Oh, take today, oh, dancing in the rain. Yeah. Woo, oh, na 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 na. Woo, oh, oh, na 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 na. Woo, oh, na 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 na. Woo, na na na. Woo, na na na. When I was a little child, I naturally would see magic in the world around me. Now I often get so tired, it's harder just to be fascinated, breathing free. But I can hear raindrops tap dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth, 'cause I can stay inside and tap away inside. Oh, man.
Okay guys, so I didn't manage to do a lot, but I did a few, and I have like a snake design, flower, melody, bear, kitty, and some moo, I mean. So I only managed to do all this. So the oven is preheat 210. So I'm gonna put my clay inside here and into the oven. So we're gonna heat them for 30 minutes. Okay, so 30 minutes is up. Now we're gonna get our ring out.
Oh, it's so hot.
Of course, baby.
Oh my god, it's so adorable.
So this is the new collection, and oh, I hate how this turned out. So now that it's done, I'm just gonna let it cool down for another 30 minutes or so, and then it will the clay will be more hardened, and that's about it. It's very easy, very simple. It's just that the making is a little bit tedious, and I thought it's easy, but it's not as easy as it seems. It takes a lot of patience, and apparently I only managed to do some, and it's really taking like a long time. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and I hope you guys find it helpful in any way. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
Bye. For looking at my YouTube channel with the Hello Kitty.
Right.
And the
It's
bell.
mine.
I like that.
It's my channel.
No, it's my channel.
Just a little less Monday.